What's up, everybody? Today, I will show you how to reset the oil change light on the 2007 to 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. You may be wondering how you can shut it off. Either because you don't want to annoy you, although it's good to be reminded to do an oil change, or maybe you do your oil change and want to shut it off. So, let's jump into the guide. Step 1. You don't need to start the engine to do this, so just turn your ignition to the run position. Step 2. Now, here's the trick. Pump the gas pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. Step 3. Turn the ignition back off and start the engine. If you do it right, the oil change light should blink and go out. So that's how you do it. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow Dodge owners, and comment below with your car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.